Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather and today we got the Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G smartphone. So we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, hardware specs, display, software and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here we got the Xiaomi branding, the name of the device. It comes with huge 6580 mAh silicon carbon battery and we got a new 200 megapixel ultimate clarity camera. It comes with Xiaomi's Hyper OS. The one we got here comes with 8GB RAM, 256GB storage and the color variant is glacier blue. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here we got the Redmi branding, a SIM card tray ejector pin, we got some quick start guide, user manuals, etc. Here is a case for the back panel, Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G in glacier blue. Here you can see some of the hardware specs are mentioned. So it comes with 6580 mAh battery. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. It comes with IP66-68 water and dust resistance, 200 megapixel ultimate clarity camera. The device is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultra processor. We got a 6.83 inch 1.5K resolution crystal rays AMOLED display. So pretty much it sums up all of the hardware specs of the device. Here we got a 45-watt charger and a USB Type-A to Type-C cable. So these are all of the stuff we got inside the retail box of Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G smartphone. The smartphone, a case for the back panel, 45-watt charger, USB Type-C cable, a SIM card tray ejector pin and quick start guide user manuals. So here is our Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G in glacier blue color. So first of all, let's switch on the device. After that, we will go through the setup process and then we will have a detailed look on our Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G device here. So the setup is done and we are good to go with our Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G here. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. So here on the front side, we got a huge 6.83 inch screen with impressive screen to body ratio. The bezels are very thin and symmetrical in terms of thickness all around the display. So you are going to have an immersive viewing experience on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G display. At the top center of the device, we got the punch hole where you will find the front facing camera. Right above it, there is a tiny slit. The bezels are so thin that all of the sensors are placed beneath the display. At the top, we got the speaker grill, secondary microphone, along with the IR blaster. So unlike Xiaomi's flagship smartphones, where you will find the IR blaster in the camera module, we got it at the top like the good old days. At the bottom, we got the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, primary microphone, as well as the SIM card tray slot. It comes with dual nano SIM along with an eSIM option as well. On the right side, we got the volume keys along with the power button and there's nothing on the left side. The back of the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G is quite minimalistic as we got just the Redmi branding and some regulatory information at the bottom and then a huge camera module at the top center of the back panel. At the center of the camera module, we got this 200 megapixel OIS camera branding. The back of the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G is totally flat and the same goes with the front panel as well. It is 8 mm thick and it weighs 210 grams. The frame is made of plastic even though it feels like brushed metal here. On the display, we got Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection along with IP66, 68, 69 and IP69K water and dust resistance. So this device, along with submersion in the water, it can also survive the stream of high pressure water. The Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G comes with the Redmi Titan structure and because of that, it achieved SDS Premium Performance certification for its durability and toughness. The back panel is made of fiberglass and the matte finish on it gives it a nice, beautiful premium look. So overall, in terms of design and build quality, the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G comes with flagship grade build quality as it comes with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, very thin bezels, IP66, 68, 69, 69K, water and dust resistance, and a minimalistic, modern looking design. Now talking about the display, the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G comes with a 6.83 Crystal Rays AMOLED display with 2772 x 1280 pixels resolution. So the PPI you will get is 447. This is a 120Hz refresh rate display that comes with DCI-P3 color gamut support. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. This is a 12-bit display that comes with support for HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision, and we got plenty of TUV Rhineland certifications for better viewing experience like the Low Blue Light Hardware Solution certification, flicker-free certification, as well as the circadian-friendly certification. Because of all of these, the display of Redmi Note 15 Pro is really beautiful and gorgeous in every aspect. The colors are vibrant and punchy, the viewing angles are great, and because of these super slim bezels, you will have an immersive viewing experience on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G. The maximum peak brightness can go as high as 3200 nits, so you won't face any issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors. And the lowest brightness is also very low, so once again you won't put any strain while using the device in low light situation. You get the option to select between the DCI-P3 or sRGB color gamut, and you can also adjust the color temperature of the display. At 120Hz refresh rate, the display is super smooth and you will enjoy using the device for sure. Now talking about the hardware, the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G comes with MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultra processor. We got 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, and it comes with memory extension feature that allows you to extend the RAM up to 8GB more for better multitasking and smoother usage. It comes with 6580 mAh battery with 45W charging and 22.5W reverse charging. It also comes with some options like to speed up the battery charging speed, the charging protection mode where you can choose the option to charge the device fully or go with smart charging, or the battery protection mode. It also comes with a nice cold endurance mode that limits the device performance to extend the battery life in cold environment. Talking about the software side, the device runs on Android 15 with Xiaomi HyperOS 2.0. So considering the fact that some of the Xiaomi devices are already coming with Android 16 and HyperOS 3, Note 15 Pro 5G is a bit behind in that context. But Xiaomi promises up to 4 major Android updates, so you will get at least up to Android 19 for sure. Talking about the HyperOS, as we have seen earlier, the HyperOS is very feature-rich, comes with plenty of options and settings that you can use to improve your productivity on Xiaomi, Redmi and Poco smartphones. And as you can see, the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G is not an exception, as we got plenty of options and settings that you can use for various customization and better productivity. At the home screen, you will find plenty of Xiaomi applications along with a folder for Google applications. Then if you swipe left, then you will find some of the third-party applications. We got plenty of bloatware here, but the good part is that if you do not want, then you can easily uninstall any of these third-party applications to get rid of them from your Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G smartphone. Now talking about the camera, on the front side we got a 20 megapixel front camera that can record 1080p resolution videos up to 60 fps. On the back of the device we got 200 megapixel primary camera with up to 4x optical level zoom, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and a depth sensor. So as you can see, there is no dedicated telephoto lens, but because we got a huge 200 megapixel sensor on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, the digital zoom up to 4x level can be as good as a telephoto lens, but we will see how good it's going to be later. If you love the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see that we got the photo mode where you will find the toggle for 2x and 4x zoom. Once again, this is the digital zoom, but it's supposed to be as good as the dedicated telephoto lens. If you swipe up from here, you will get some of the options like the slow motion time-lapse panorama. You can even edit it if you want. Then what we got here is the options to select HDR, aspect ratio, timer, watermark, and then you can go to the settings. Here at the top we got the Google Lens, and then we got the motion capture, and then the dynamic shot. If we go to the video mode, here at the top you can see we can record full HD resolution videos up to 60 fps. We can record 4K resolution videos only up to 30 fps, as you can see here. And then we got the option to select the aspect ratio, shoot steady. The teleprompter is there as well, and once again the settings option. We got the option to capture 200 megapixel images in the Ultra HD section. Then we got the portrait mode, that is a combination of beautification and the bokeh effect. Then if you go to the Pro mode, here you can manually change the different imaging parameters to capture pro level photos. So as you can see, we got plenty of options when it comes to imaging on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, but this is just a first impression video. We will see how good the performance of the camera of Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G is going to be in our future videos. Right now, just wanted to give you a quick glance about the features and hardware we got here. So at the first glance, the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G is looking a pretty solid smartphone in nearly every aspect. It comes with a gorgeous display with flagship grade features, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection on the display, IP66, 68, 69, 69K water and dust resistance, a huge 6580 mAh battery, a very beautiful design and promising looking camera setup. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G like the gaming review, benchmarking test score result, comparison with other smartphones, battery charging speed test, etc. will be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.